Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
This Christmas promises to be a time of great rejoicing and festivity for the people of Arochukwu Kingdom in Arochukwu local government area of Abia State as they make final arrangements for the coronation of their new king on the 26th of December 2023. The following special report is a profile of the heir apparent to the ancient Arochukwu Kingdom and Eze-Aro designate, Prince Engineer Eberechukwu Oji. The ancient Arochukwu Kingdom, one of the most highly revered kingdoms in Igbo land, will host dignitaries from far and near on the 26th of December 2023 on the August occasion of the coronation of Eze-Aro designate, Prince Engineer Eberechukwu Oji as the Eze-Aro of Arochukwu Kingdom. For the people of Arochukwu in Arochukwu local government area of Abia State, the forthcoming coronation is another landmark event in the history of their kingdom which dates back to the pre-colonial period. The man who will become the symbol of authority and chief custodian of the people's rich culture and tradition is the grandson of a former Eze-Aro of Arochukwu Kingdom, Eze Mazi Kanu Oji, who is probably the longest reigning monarch in Nigeria, having been crowned in 1921 and reigned for 73 years. Eze Mazi Kanu Oji was succeeded by immediate past Eze-Aro, Eze Mazi Vincent Ogbonaya Okoro, who ascended the throne in 1995 and ruled for 25 years. After Eze Okoro joined his ancestors in 2020, the Okenachi royal kindred, which has the responsibility of producing traditional rulers in the kingdom, embarked on a rigorous search for a worthy successor. After 2 years of painstaking search for the rightful candidate to ascend the throne of his forefathers, the lot fell on Prince Engineer Eberechukwu Oji, who was chosen as replacement for the immediate past monarch on the 18th of October this year. The gods are indeed wise and infallible in their decisions. The choice of Prince Oji has been greeted by jubilation as the elders, men, women and youth roll out the drums in readiness for the coronation of one of their best and brightest sons to ascend the throne of his forefathers. Prince Oji, a chartered engineer and fellow of the Nigerian Society of Engineers, studied electrical and electronics engineering at the Federal University of Technology, Owerri, between 1988 and 1994. After his graduation, he enrolled for his service year with the National Youth Service Corps NYSC in both Imo and Lagos states. In 1999, he proceeded to the University of Benin to obtain a master's in engineering, majoring in electrical and electronics engineering, and graduated in 2002. In his quest for self-development, Prince Oji enrolled in Curtin University, Australia, where he obtained a master's in petroleum technology with a distinction in 2009. And in 2011, he bagged a master's degree in business administration at the Warwick University, United Kingdom. Before his tertiary education, Prince Oji attended Spence Primary School, Ovim, in Isikwato, Abia State, and proceeded to both Methodist College, Uzuakoli, in Abia State and Emmanuel College, Owerri, in Imo State for his secondary education. Prince Engineer Oji's professional career in the oil and gas industry spans a period of 25 years, during which he worked for Shell Petroleum Development Company, SPDC, and the Nigerian Liquefied Natural Gas LNG project. Between 2019 and 2020, he was Chief Operating Officer for OML 42, jointly operated by NNPC and Nekonde Limited. The blue-blooded Engineer Oji has been Chief Executive Officer of ND Western Limited since March 2020. ND Western Limited, an indigenous player in the oil and gas industry, jointly operates OML 34 with NNPC Exploration and Production Limited. As Chief Executive Officer of ND Western Limited, Engineer Oji has been accountable for the smooth running of all assets under OML 34 Asset Management Team and Joint Venture Operations. Additionally, he has led one of the largest transactions in the oil and gas industry in Nigeria on behalf of the ND Western Consortium. Engineer Orji is a high-performing strategic business executive with over 25 years deep technical leadership and broad functional expertise in upstream and midstream asset management, as well as operations management. He has a track record of transformational business improvement and delivery in Nigeria, the Netherlands, United States, United Kingdom, Singapore, Australia, continental Europe, and other shell operating units across the world. Engineer Orji was born in Onitsha Olona town in Anyocha local government area of Delta State on the 6th of May 1973 to amazing parents. His father, Reverend Prince Joshua Kanu Orji, is a clergyman with the Presbyterian Church of Nigeria, while his mother, Dr. Mrs. Doris Orji, is a retired permanent secretary. The Ezaro designate and 7 of his siblings were raised by God-fearing parents who bequeathed strict Christian principles and exemplary lifestyles to them. Engineer Orji is described by his siblings, colleagues, and admirers as a trailblazer and a source of inspiration. The Crown Prince of Arochukwu Kingdom, himself an ordained pastor, is married to Mrs. Neoma Orji, and they are blessed with 2 beautiful and adorable children. When on the 26th of December 2023 he is crowned king, Engineer Orji will join the league of vibrant, resourceful and accomplished young men like His Imperial Majesty Oba Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi Ojaja II, the Oni of Ife, and Ugyame Atuashe III, the Olu of Warri Kingdom, who are currently on the thrones of their forefathers. The incoming Ezearo has a vision to enthrone unity, peace and security in Arochukwu Kingdom and reposition it to reclaim its pride of place in history. The Ezearo designate has promised to be accommodating, just and fair to all, including those who lay claim to what rightfully belongs to him. As the saying goes, the people rejoice when the righteous rule. Undoubtedly, the forthcoming coronation signals the beginning of a new dawn of peace, prosperity and stability in Arochukwu Kingdom.
Cho aro mmamana. Cho Okigbo mmamana. Cho Nigeria mmamana. Nwayo orihe.
The Palace of the Ezearo and the Council of Arochukwu Traditional Rulers, the Ndi Ezeogo in Arochukwu Local Government Area of Abia State, cordially invites all sons and daughters of Arochukwu Kingdom worldwide, Ndibo and the Nigerian public to the coronation ceremony of Ezearo of Arochukwu Kingdom, His Royal Majesty Engineer Eberechukwu Orji, on Tuesday the 26th of December 2023, time 11 a.m. Venue Arochukwu Civic Center, Oro Village, Arochukwu, Abia State. Come one, come all to witness firsthand the rich cultural heritage of the ancient Arochukwu Kingdom on display.
I want to welcome all of you to our lovely, beautiful kingdom where the coronation exercise will take place. Once again, thank you. God bless you.
Inside the Niger Delta,